Measurements of length. We know that the standard unit for measuring length is meter, mm. The units of length bigger than meter are as follows: kilometer, kilometers, hectometer, hm, and decameter, dam. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. 1 hectometer equals 100 meters. 1 decameter equals 10 meters. The units of length smaller than meter are decimeter, dm, centimeter, ceb, and millimeter, pemidine. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters equals 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters equals 1 meter. Thus, 1 meter equals 10 decimeters equals 100 centimeters equals 1000 millimeters. All the 7 units of length are given in the following table. Relationships between units. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Conversion from higher to lower units of length. Example: convert 2 kilometers into meters. Solution: 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. So 2 kilometers equals 2 times 1000 meters equals 2000 meters. Example: convert 4 meters into decimeters. Solution: 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. So 4 meters equals 4 times 10 equals 40 decimeters. Example: convert 8 meters into centimeters. Solution: 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So 8 meters equals 8 times 100 equals 800 centimeters. Example: convert 5 centimeters into millimeters. Solution: 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So 5 centimeters equals 5 times 10 equals 50 millimeters. Example: convert 6 kilometers 700 meters into meters. Solution: 6 kilometers 700 meters equals 6 times 1000 meters plus 700 meters. Since 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters equals 6000 plus 700 equals 6700 meters. Example: convert 8 meters 90 centimeters into centimeters. Solution: 8 meters 90 centimeters equals 8 times 100 centimeters plus 90 centimeters. Since 1 meter equals 100 centimeters equals 800 centimeters plus 90 centimeters equals 890 centimeters. Example: convert 5 centimeters 5 millimeters into millimeters. Solution: 5 centimeters 5 millimeters equals 5 times 10 millimeters plus 5 millimeters equals 50 millimeters plus 5 millimeters equals 55 millimeters. Since 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters.